Hi guys, it is Martin Luther King's birthday, and it's 6:31, and I'm bored as fuck. They won't make a video with me, so I have to make it by my I fucking hate you. What the fuck is wrong with you? I want to stop it. You just smacked the shit out of me. I hate your fuck ass, yo. I fucking hate you. No. I can't even be fucking mad. I'm salty as hell. My face turning red and shit. I'm so upset. I'm not finished recording. I'm about to beat his ass. Don't you dare. Shut the fuck up. I'm upset. You just hurt my feelings, yo.